Mindstone's Workspaces help you organize your learning and collaborate with others. When you start out, you'll have one workspace called My Workspace. Everything you add to this workspace stays private unless you choose to share it. If you'd like to add another workspace for a specific project or to collaborate with others, click Create Workspace and give it a name. Any new workspace is private by default, but it's easy to make it a shared workspace. Just add the email addresses of anyone you'd like to collaborate with, and Mindstone will send them an invitation to join your workspace. You can add or remove people from the workspace at any point by clicking the cog icon at the top right. Collaborators can add things to the workspace, comment and reply to your comments, and add notes. Everyone you add has the same level of access once they've accepted an invitation. It's your workspace, so you're in control. You can remove any content or member at any time. Create a new workspace today to start sharing and organizing your learning with Mindstone.